Hit him with the drill. I shouldn't say that because she might hit you with it. She hit a kid with a hammer. She hit him right in the wrist with a hammer. Didn't even think about it. Here's my trusty dog over here. Hey, puppy. Hi. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Lily be all jealous right now. Get everything plumbed up. I'm not playing with the ball right now. All right, things moving along. You guys like corn dogs? Sonic is right down the street. Sonic, corn dogs. I'll get about 6, 8 corn dogs. You guys handle it till I get back? All right. What do you want? You want a chili cheese hot dog? You want a chicken sandwich? Well, it's literally 2 blocks away. So,